Hey, what's going on, everybody? I just wanted to make this video real quick and kind of explain something that I haven't seen a whole lot on. It's this subscription that has popped up, and well, I really just haven't seen much information on it, and I finally got my first one. The thing is called Diesel Crate. It's from a place called dieselcrate.com, and they're sending out these boxes. And first, I kind of want to explain a little bit about what you know, my experience with them. When I first found them through Instagram, I think, and they were just starting up, and they had like promotional codes and stuff, and I kind of thought, you know, what are they going to send me? Is it going to be anything worthwhile? You know, and I really wasn't sure about it, but when I bought it, it wasn't that expensive, and I figured, hey, what the heck, and I tried one. When I looked on there, there were 3 tiers of boxes to get. You could get the regular Diesel Crate, which is what I have, and then you could get the Diesel Crate that they call their sticker pack, and I would just assume that it's just decals and things like that. And then they also had one that was e-magazines, which is probably stuff like Car and Driver or something like that. They also asked for shirt size. They wanted to know what shirt size you were. They would ask whether you were male or female, and they would ask which diesel preference you had, and you could choose Cummins, Duramax, or Power Stroke, or no preference. And I guess with the no preference, they would send you whatever they had, or any of it. I don't know. Me personally, I got the Duramax. You know, it was a no-brainer for me. But they have Power Stroke stuff. They have Cummins stuff. You can get whatever you want, pretty much. This box is $34.99 a month, which I was kind of reluctant to spend $35 unknown, and with the discount code, it made it a little better and things like that. But I'm kind of glad I did for what's in the box. And I've already opened it and looked. I had to know before I shot this video. For what's in the box, I feel like $35 is a fair deal, and probably even a good deal for some of the stuff. In just a minute, I'll take you through it and open it for you. Now, you can prepay for like 3 months, and I think it was like $90, or 12 months, it was like $360. I mean, it's not cheap, but it's a little better. You save like $5 a month, and yeah, I just don't have $350 to blow on it right now. So I think I'm gonna keep it, though. I think I'm gonna keep going through and do the monthly one. But anyway, their first box, I ordered the first box in April, when they were, like I said, just starting up, and I was a little aggravated that at first, because they were they sent an email. They were supposed to send their first box out May 1st. Well, they sent an email kind of the last week of April and said, you know, we want to wait a month and try to put better stuff in the box. And I was a little frustrated at first, but you know, I was just impatient. I wanted it. So I think waiting, I think it worked out. I think it's fine. And I think what's in there was really well priced and pretty good deal. So without further ado, I'm going to get to opening the box. Alright, so when you get your box, this is the box that it comes in. It's got Diesel Crate all over it, got a shipping label, diesel products, And they also do this deal: if you refer 3 friends, you get a free crate, which is kind of neat, actually. It's a neat way to grow your fan base. Anyway, you open it up, and now I will say this: it's not packaged near as well as it was when I first got it. So I opened it up. First thing that I found is they sent me a 3x5, just American flag. Nothing fancy, but you know, it's going to be a good wall hanger. Like I said earlier, I got the Duramax package, so I got the Duramax decal, this American flag decal. I think is pretty cool. I've never seen that one. We got a black ice tree. You know, you can never have too many of those, even though I don't even have one right now. You know, their diesel crate sticker. They send me some of a Hot Shot Secret fuel booster diesel treatment. It's supposed to be a cetane booster and just fuel treatment that cleans your injectors and prevents corrosion, things like that. I've never used Hot Shots, but I've always heard the name, so I know it's good stuff. We got another little Hot Shot sticker. That one's actually really nice. They sent a little turbo keychain, which is kind of cool. You know, you've seen those. Sent me just a shop rag. And then they sent this shirt too, which I think is pretty cool. This green shit's everywhere. So it's got diesel crate on the front of it, and on the back. Sorry, this is hard to do one-handed. On the back, as you can see, it says some do drugs, others pop bottles. We solve our problems with wide open throttles. And they're not wrong. So honestly, like I said, for 35 bucks, all this stuff, that's kind of hard to beat, really. I think it's a really good deal. And yeah, I'll talk to you again next month when I get another one. So until then, please like the video and subscribe if you found this interesting, and leave a comment if you're going to get a diesel crate, and just let me know, because I kind of want to know, you know, if this video helps you decide you want to get one. I mean, I can't guarantee you're going to get the same stuff I did, and I just wanted to share my experience with you, and you know, if you had any questions about it, hopefully answer those. So until next time, I'll talk to you all later.